I am delighted to be here today to tell you about the importance of milk, coconut water, and Neera. Dear students, myself Dr. Digna Varghese. Contents of the presentation: milk, importance of milk, coconut water, importance of coconut water, Neera, importance of Neera. Milk. Milk is a white, nutrient rich liquid food produced in the mammary glands of all mammals. The milk of domesticated animals is also an important food source for humans, either as a fresh fluid or processed into a number of dairy products such as butter and cheese. Almost all the milk now consumed from the cow, sheep, goat, water buffalo, and camel. The milk of each species seems to be a complete food for its own young for a considerable time after birth. In the stomachs of the young, milk is converted to a soft curd that encloses globules of fat, enabling digestion to proceed smoothly without the disturbance often caused by fatty food. Milk is essentially an emulsion of fat and protein in water along with dissolved sugar, that is carbohydrate, minerals and vitamins. These constituents are present in the milk of all mammals, though their proportions differ from one species to another and within the species. Here we can see directly from the table that the source of the milk is from human, cow, goat, sheep, water buffalo, etc., and the energy in kilocalories, that is human milk produce 70 kilocalorie energy and cow milk gives 61 kilocalorie milk, then goat 69 and sheep gives 108 kilocalorie per mole and water buffalo gives 97 kilocalories energy, and human milk gives 4.38 gram fat, cow milk gives 3.34 gram fat, and goat milk 4.14, and sheep will give 7 gram, and water buffalo will give 6.89 gram fat. And in the case of cholesterol, that is human milk give 14 milligram cholesterol, cow milk gives almost the same 14 milligram, goat milk somewhat lesser than the cow milk, that is 11 milligram, and sheep there is no value, and for water buffalo it is about 19 milligram. And here the water buffalo will give the more cholesterol level. And protein for human milk 1.03 gram, for cow milk 3.29, goat milk 3.56, sheep milk 5.98, and for water buffalo milk 3.75. Here we can see the sheep milk will give higher value. And the calcium value, that is human milk produce 32 milligram calcium, cow milk gives 119 milligram, goat milk gives 134, sheep milk gives 193 milligram, and water buffalo gives 169 milligram. Here the sheep milk gives higher calcium amount in their milk. Phosphorus, amount of phosphorus in human milk 14 milligram as that of cholesterol, and cow milk gives 93 milligram, goat milk 111 milligram, and sheep milk gives 158 milligram, and water buffalo will give 117 milligram phosphorus. So higher phosphorus amount is from the sheep milk. Next constituent of the milk is carbohydrate, that expressed in gram. Human milk 6.89 gram, cow milk 4.66 gram, and goat milk 4.45 gram, and sheep milk 5.36 gram, and water buffalo 5.18. The most carbohydrate produced from the source is human milk among these, and here we can see the higher carbohydrate value for human milk 6.89 gram, higher phosphorus value for sheep milk, that is 158 milligram, and for calcium, that is also for sheep, 193 milligram, and in the case of protein it is about 5.98 from sheep milk, and for fat, that is almost 7 gram for sheep milk, and here the sheep will also give highest energy, that is 108 kilocalorie, and water buffalo will give cholesterol, highest cholesterol value, that is 19 milligram. So the constituents, that is what fat, cholesterol, protein, calcium, phosphorus, carbohydrate, and also the energy values, that is different from one species to another, and also for all mammals they are in different proportions. Importance of milk. Vitamins. First one is vitamins and minerals. First we considering the B vitamins. Milk is a good source of vitamin B2, that is riboflavin, and B12 cobalamin or cyanocobalamin. Vitamin B2 is important for the body growth, red blood cell production, that is RBC production, and helps in releasing energy from food. Vitamin B12 plays a role in the normal functioning of the brain and nervous system and for the formation of the food. Potassium. Milk is an important source for potassium, which helps to maintain normal blood pressure as well as the muscular and neurological function. Calcium. Milk is an excellent source of calcium, which is essential for healthy growth and maintenance of teeth and bones. Calcium is also important for normal blood coagulation, normal energy yielding metabolism, muscle and nerve function, digestive function, and regulation of cell division and differentiation. Iodine. Milk is a good source of iodine. Iodine is required for the production of the thyroid hormones. Iodine is essential for the normal thyroid function because these hormones play a vital role in the regulation of various metabolic processes, particularly those involved in growth and energy expenditure. Iodine also contributes to the maintenance of normal skin. 1 cup of milk can provide 59 to 112% of the recommended daily amount of iodine. Phosphorus. Milk is a significant source of phosphorus. Phosphorus plays a vital role in the maintenance of healthy bones and teeth as well as cell membrane structure and the regulation of the body's rate of energy metabolism. Phosphorus also needed for the body to make a protein for the growth, maintenance and repair of cells and tissues. Another important constituent of milk is it contains some macronutrients such as protein. Milk is a source of high quality protein. Milk protein is a type of protein that is derived from filtered milk and is formed from whey protein, that is about 20%, and casein proteins 80%. Milk protein is highly digestible and it contains almost all essential amino acids in the right proportions. Carbohydrates. Milk contains approximately 4.9% carbohydrate, that is predominantly lactose. Here we can see the structure of lactose with trace amounts of monosaccharides and oligosaccharides. Lactose is a disaccharide of glucose and galactose. The structure of lactose is shown here. Lactose alone provides 30% of the total milk calories and is suitable for diabetics. It is less carcinogenic than other sugars, inhibiting tooth decay also. Lactose enhances the growth of bifidobacteria in the colon and thereby prevents infection and improves intestinal health. It also facilitates the absorption of calcium, magnesium and manganese. Another macronutrients present in the milk is fat. The fat content of milk varies from depending on whether milk is a whole milk or a semi-skimmed milk or a skimmed milk. What is the difference between the whole milk, semi-skimmed milk and skimmed milk? Here the fat content varies from one to another milk packet. That is, the whole milk contains 4 gram fat content in 100 gram milk. Semi-skimmed milk means half of the fat content removed from the 100 gram of the milk, that is almost 1.6 gram fat in 100 gram milk. And skimmed milk means that almost all of the fat content is removed from the whole milk. That means only 0.1 gram per 100 gram of milk is the amount of fat in this particular labeled packet. Every whole milk contains only around 4 gram per fat per 100 gram of milk, so it is a misconception that milk is fattening. The health-oriented essential fatty acids such as omega-3 linoleic acid are found in significant level in milk fat, so we can use every day a cup of milk, whole milk, that is contain omega-3 linoleic acid, that is an essential fatty acid. Another important health drink is coconut water. Coconut water is actually the liquid found inside a younger, tender coconut. It contains a variety of nutrients including carbohydrates, that is sugar, vitamins, minerals, electrolytes, antioxidants, amino acids, cytokinins and enzymes. Coconut water carries a very good amount of potassium in the electrolyte form. Typically 100 ml of coconut water, it has a 250 milligram of potassium and 105 milligram of sodium. So sodium and potassium is in a very good amount, and also that is in the electrolyte form. Coconut water carries several minerals like calcium, iron, manganese, magnesium and zinc than the juices of some other fruits like orange. So we can drink coconut water daily than a orange juice that contains more minerals than in the orange juice. In coconut water, all the essential minerals are in the form of electrolytes so that they are easily absorbable by the human body. Coconut water is a good source for B complex vitamins such as riboflavin, niacin, thiamine, pyridoxine and the folates. Coconut water also contains vitamin C. Coconut water is low in calories and is almost fat-free and cholesterol-free. So it is an important health drink than other artificial drinks. Coconut water is also known as refreshing beverage and is also regarded as a health tonic, so that coconut water used as a food and a medicine. We have already said that coconut water is a good source for vitamin B complex, that it contains riboflavin, that is vitamin B2, is one of the 8 B vitamins that are essential for human health. It is crucial for breaking down food components, absorbing other nutrients, and maintaining tissues. Vitamin B2 is a water soluble vitamin like vitamin C, so it dissolves in water. Other one is pyridoxine, that is known as vitamin B6. Vitamin B6 is important for many processes in the body, that is pyridoxine is used to treat or prevent vitamin B6 deficiency. It is also used to treat certain types of anemia. Anemia means lack of RBC. Another one is thiamine, that is vitamin B1. Thiamine is important in the breakdown of carbohydrates, that is sugar, from foods into products needed by the body. Thiamine is also used to treat or prevent vitamin B1 deficiency. Another important vitamin B is niacin, that is vitamin B3, is an important nutrient. In fact, every part of your body needs it to function properly. As a supplement, niacin may help lower cholesterol, ease arthritis, and boost brain function, among other benefits. However, it can also cause serious side effects if you take large doses. Another important vitamin B is folate, is one of the B vitamins and is needed to make red and white blood cells in the bone marrow, convert carbohydrates into energy, and produce DNA and RNA. Adequate folate intake is extremely important during periods of rapid growth such as pregnancy, infancy, and adolescence. So coconut water acts as a good source for B complex vitamins. Now we are discussing the applications of coconut water. That we know coconut water can use as food and medicine. Coconut water is an effective remedy for electrolyte deficiency associated with vomiting, mild diarrhea, dysentery, dyspepsia. Dyspepsia means indigestion that can cause upper abdominal pain, and flatulence. Flatulence means building up of gas in the digestive system that can also cause some discomfort in abdominal. And coconut water also provides antioxidants, so which reduce the activity of many toxins in the liver and also scavenges dangerous free radicals in the body. Coconut water has diuretic properties also, which is very helpful in expelling toxins in cases of urinary disorders. Coconut water helps in clearing up bladder infections and in removing kidney stones. Coconut water contains the minerals potassium and magnesium. It is regarded as capable of reducing high blood pressure and increasing the circulation. Coconut water contains cytokinins, that is a group of hormones which regulate the plant growth, development, and aging in plants. It has an anti-aging effect on human cells. Cytokinins is important to humans, that is it has an anti-aging effect on human cells and tissues. They are also supposed to have anti-carcinogenic and anti-thrombotic, that is anti-clot formation properties. So cytokinins are an important compound for humans, that has an anti-aging effect, anti-carcinogenic effect, and anti-thrombotic properties also. Coconut water can provide a large number of vitamins essential for the healthy function of the body. Coconut water contains bioactive enzymes such as acid phosphatase, catalase, dehydrogenase, diastase, peroxidase, RNA polymerases help in the digestion and metabolism. So it is a very important health drink that it contains several enzymes, several hormones and several vitamins, several minerals. So it is a good health tonic. Now we are moving to the next topic, Neera. Neera is a fruit juice or sap obtained by tapping the unopened inflorescence or spadix of the coconut palm. It's sometimes called sweet toddy. That is obtained by tapping the inflorescence and it is known as sweet toddy. Neera is sweet, oyster white in color, translucent and high in nutritional value. What are the benefits of Neera? Neera contains around 16% carbohydrates with sucrose as the main component and small amounts of glucose, fructose, inositol and raffinose. It has a very low glycemic index. That is very important so that it does not raise the blood sugar levels like regular fruit juices do. And even diabetic patients can drink it safely. Neera is an energizing drink with low calories. It has 16 amino acids with glutamic acid, threonine and aspartic acid forming the major constituents. These aid muscle development as well as functioning of the central nervous system and immune system and also combat fat buildup. Neera has some amounts of vitamins, especially vitamin C. Neera also has significant amounts of minerals including iron and phosphorus. Neera is considered beneficial to pregnant women for the healthy growth of babies they carry. It is considered to aid growth in emaciated children, that is very thin. At the age of 7 they has only 4 kg weight and their head is very smaller than the normal children. It is some traditional medicinal systems. It is recommended for the cure of anemia, tuberculosis, bronchial suffocation and piles. It is supposed to prevent jaundice. It is a body cooler and is good for digestion. Since it is a non-alcoholic drink, it doesn't induce intoxication and does not have any side effects. Thank you all for listening.